You've been asked to use credible sources in your literature review assignment. Journal articles are one type of credible source. So, what are journal articles? Simply put, they are articles that appear in journals. Published periodically, journals present cutting-edge research findings in a specific discipline. As scholarly sources of information, journal articles usually undergo a rigorous process called peer review, whereby experts check and confirm the quality of articles published in the journal. There are several types of scholarly sources, and journal articles are just one. You may find it difficult to differentiate them from other types, such as theses and book chapters. Theses and dissertations are written to fulfill the requirements for obtaining certain degrees. The citation may look something like this, providing information on the degree being pursued. In terms of content, theses and dissertations are usually much lengthier than journal articles, and they include many chapters encompassing the candidate's research topic. Book chapters are also often not easy to distinguish from journal articles. However, with a bit of knowledge of citation content, you'll be able to tell the difference. In this example, the second citation is for an article published in the journal Child Development, whereas the first is from a book called Discipline Without Anger. Sometimes book and journal titles are difficult to tell apart. A more reliable indicator is the presence of volume issue information for a journal article and the publisher's name for books. Let's look at two more examples. At first glance, you might think that these are both scholarly journal articles. On closer examination of the journal itself, we can see that the THE journal is a trade journal. Unlike scholarly journals, trade journals do not adopt peer review. They contain information on industry trends, professional skills, and organizational news. As you can see, they are not very long and make greater use of pictures and illustrations compared to scholarly journal articles. Articles can be intimidating. What's the best approach to reading them? Look at this article. It is divided into different sections such as abstract, method, results, discussion, and references. The article is organized in this way so that the information flow resembles the author's research process. Reading a journal article is certainly not an easy task for students early in their university studies. We recommend reading strategically with your research topic in mind. Instead of reading through an entire article word for word, you can often quickly determine whether an article is what you need by looking at its abstract. If some of the findings catch your attention, you can jump to the results or the discussions for more details. This type of selective reading will help you be efficient in your research process. One final piece of advice. To really engage with articles and keep track of your findings, try taking notes and highlighting text. This will help you effectively incorporate information into your own knowledge. That's about it for this library tutorial on journal articles. Remember, the best places to find high-quality journal articles are the library's OneSearch service and our subscribed databases. Please don't hesitate to get in touch with your librarians if you have any questions.